Hi everybody, I'm making chicken lollipops. Now this is something that I have seen before. I've never attempted it. Honestly, I saw a video on how to do this and the guy did it really easily with 2 steps. Well, I'm here to tell you it takes a little more than 2 steps. There are tendons in this area where you have to cut, so you have to make sure you have a nice sharp knife. You cut through the tendons and then with a napkin, you pull off that top part. And sometimes you have to help it with your knife. You got to cut through. So it does take a little bit of work, but it's really a cool way that it looks at the end. So I'm just pulling off the top. And then once you have it all separated, you're just going to get the bottom part and you're going to pull it down, and it exposes a lot of the bone. And it really looks like a chicken lollipop. Look at that. Very, very cool. So the way I'm gonna cook these is simple, shake and bake. And the way shake and bake works, you just put the seasoning packet in a bag and then you just season it like this. So I just put these in an air fryer, a very easy way to cook them. So I cook them in the air fryer, 400 degrees for 20 minutes, flipping them halfway, and they really came out great. Look at this. Look at this. It's a chicken lollipop. See the exposed bone? It's very cool in the presentation. So basically that's what I wanted to show you guys, a chicken lollipop. A lot of times I see these recipes Asian style with a dipping sauce, but I just wanted to show you the method. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.